To get started, you want to match up the ends of one of your cords and then run it through your fingers to find the centre. And then you can clip this to your board if you're using one. And then you just want to swap the position of the tail ends at either side, just to create a loop like that. And then you want to take your next cord and again match the ends and run it through your fingers to find the centre. So then you want to take your tail ends, and where your cords switch over here, you want to take these tail ends and put them up underneath these two cords here, and then just pull through. And you can pull through until you've got the loops. They're basically upside down, and then take this loop and pull these tail ends through. And then you'll just tighten these against the ones that are clipped to the board. So once you've got that done, you can remove this from the board and you can just tighten. And then you can adjust this loop by pulling on the ends of the cord that you'd attach to the board. And you can do this until you've got the loop to the correct size that you want. So the beauty of this loop is that if you say using a button fastening, you can check that the button is going to fit through the loop before you start the rest of your bracelet pattern. And once you've got it to the size that you want, you can do whatever pattern you're going to make from this start. So this technique is best suited to fairly simple patterns like these ones where I've done just a simple square knot bracelet with a button fastening. You could do a tie-on fastening if you prefer, and the measurements of the cords that you will need will depend on the pattern that you're going to follow with. This was just to show the technique of making the loop.